Luxury living is all about style, power and presence, and nothing commands the road quite like this. An exquisitely fully restored Land Rover Defender 110 by the amazing craftsmanship team at E.C.D Automotive Design. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a handcrafted masterpiece. With a GMLT 6.2 litre V8 under the hood, this Defender is built for those who appreciate performance without compromise. Precision meets style on 18-inch Carn 1983 wheels, designed for the road. Inside, bespoke craftsmanship takes centre stage. Garrett Cadence licorice leather wraps the Puma Classic seats, surrounding you in comfort. Technology meets indulgence with a premium JL audio sound system and seamless Apple CarPlay integration. This is luxury without limits. And this is the ultimate fully restored Defender 110 by E.C.D Automotive Design. Begin your journey today and let us craft a custom classic vehicle that's as distinctive as you are.